Welcome, hier ist the Holy Wholesome Life.
Eat yourself to happiness. My name is PJ.
And I'm Alisa.
And this is Isabella, munching on some tomatoes. We're here to give you some satisfying, heart-opening,
wholesome,
plant-based,
vegan
recipes. So this is what we do. We live like this, and we want to share our recipes, our inventions. And yes, we're going to focus on food that is really going to open up your heart, food that is good for you, cruelty-free, nutritious. And this is our first recipe video on YouTube. And today we're doing
tomato gazpacho.
Heavenly gazpacho. Wow.
Our recipes are they represent really vibrancy, color, lots of fruits and vegetables, oil-free, if you can, gluten-free, sugar-free.
Yeah.
Yes.
Natural, wholesome means that it's basically not manufactured, you're not using sugar, you're avoiding everything that's basically chemical that is not nutritious for your body. Local as well, so we try to get everything organic. Most of our products organic. We have the herbs right in front of us, so we can just pick them and then eat the vitamins straight from the herbs.
Yes. So let's begin.
Let's go. I'm so excited. Isabella has been munching away at the carrots. No, she usually munches carrot, but she's been munching away the tomatoes all day.
Yes.
We are starving. Let's start.
Let's begin. So we got tomatoes here, around 12 tomatoes, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. We've got 1 cup of diced tomatoes.
Okay.
This is the garnish, that's why I put there the herbs also, some basil, rosemary, thyme for garnish, some diced avocado, some diced cucumber, and some diced peppers, some fresh basil, oh my god, chopped up, so fresh.
Wow.
From the farmer's market, from our farmer.
From organic farmers.
Amazing. Yeah. Rosemary, thyme.
That's from our garden.
Yeah, tamari sauce, Himalayan salt, garlic, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. And on top of it, I had to serve today the rocket on the side. This rocket is butter. It's butter like.
It's butter like it smells like butter in your mouth.
It smells like butter in your mouth. It's so tender. Oh my god, it's amazing.
Get it from the organic farmers makes such a difference. It's so different than from the packet. I usually don't enjoy rocket from a packet.
Yeah.
But this is.
Wow, this is from our farmer, and this is just such a different flavor.
So big thank you to our farmers.
We are so grateful. We are so grateful.
As Paul Isaac would say, send your farmer a message or give him a hug. We say the same thing, right?
Yes.
and yes.
And also you get a better deal of the local farmer. Go there, connect with them. It's such a hard connection. The food tastes much better when you go there and you connect to the farmers. In the supermarkets, it's so different, isn't it? The people are stressed out, or like they're just doing their job, and they're not really connected to their produce. So go to the farmers market, please. It's so amazing.
Totally, and also try to grow your own herbs. That's great. So try to grow your own herbs. Try to go to the local farmers. Try to get organic if you can. Of course, it's not always possible. We're saying just make the effort to do so, not only for your health, which is the main reason, but also for ecological reasons. And guess what? It tastes much better. Full stop.
Amazing. Wow, let's begin.
Oh, the gazpacho. I can't wait. And the ingredient list is down below, so we're going to attach always the ingredient list, what you need, what equipment you might need, always down below in our videos. And yes, let's go ahead.
Let's go ahead. So, we have a NutriBullet here. So, yes, let's begin. You can put all the ingredients in that. You won't fit everything, but we do it 2 times, and you put it all in this bowl and mix it. It's so good, fresh herbs. Oh my god, we just love it. We put herbs on everything, don't we?
We love it indeed, yeah. It's great. And this is a great way to connect with your partner, with your loved one, and as I like to say, also perhaps with your enemy. If you have someone you don't like, why don't you just sit down at a table together in the kitchen, prepare a lovely meal, and connect us.
Oh, I love gazpacho. Nice. If you have a big blender, you can put everything in one go, but we only have like this. Not only, but Nutribullet is very good.
Well, it's a very potent blender. We actually have a huge blender. We do have a huge blender, but Nutribullet does the job quicker even if you do it 3 times. It's a great little blender. I love it.
I love it too. And you can actually take it with when you're traveling.
Yes, we do that.
Oh my goodness, the flavors are mingling together. I just have a look at that color. Oh my god, it's so smooth.
I love that color. It looks like strawberry smoothie now.
Bring it down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this color. There's the color of the gazpacho. You can surely see it.
Lovely. Should I blend some more, please, or is that enough?
That's enough, I say so.
It is a great meal to both get full, feel full, but also to lose weight, I suppose. This has a lot of nutrients. And by the way, we always believe losing weight, it's not about eating little, it's about eating a lot with the proper stuff. So what I would do to lose weight is I would eat a lot of this to feel full. A lot. And you're getting all the vitamins you need, and you'll be surprised how much you lose weight just by simply eating the right food.
And then we decorate it.
Oh, by the way, guys, that's only half the portion. There's still half
something
left.
In it. It serves probably 3, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you have it as dinner, as I say, you can eat everything. But if you have it as a starter, you might serve that for a 3rd person.
Exactly, yeah. So this is probably the right portion to use if you're only eating that. But if you're eating something else, this could be a great start.
This is amazing. It's just
wow. Lisa came up with this recipe and we've enjoyed it so often. We shared it with Fred, we shared it with our lovely clients, and the smiles, people's faces all over the world, actually.
Yeah, all over the world.
I want to share it with you. It's really simple. That's the whole point. We're trying to teach you simple food. Vegan food is admittedly not always easy. It's hard to find the right ingredients. So we're trying to make it easy with you. As you've noticed, we also had everything prepared. So we suggested everything prepared, phase 1. Phase 2, we're very fast actually preparing the meals.
So as you could see now, I put the diced tomatoes, diced avocado, diced pepper and diced cucumber, and then I just put some basil on top. Oh, basil is already on top, but we put more on it. And then we just have some thyme there, a little bit of rosemary, and what else? And some more basil. Can't have enough basil. Oh my god, and here we go. You have your meal or your starter.
Look at that, guys.
Oh,
look at that.
We love it so much.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna try it.
Can I try it?
We're gonna try it.
Let's go ahead.
Oh my goodness, and that's the best part of all.
Are you ready for this, Isabella?
Yes, get ready for this.
Isabella prefers her tomatoes. So let's try this.
Let's try this. Oh my goodness. Guys, oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, so good.
And please, when you take the tomatoes, leave them outside for ripening, like for the flavors to develop. If you put them in the fridge straight away, sometimes they're not ripe and then they don't have flavors. Get them, keep them outside.
That will be very bland gazpacho basically. So you're really relying a lot on this, on the herbs, the spices, but also the tomatoes per se. Wow.
What do you? How do you like it?
I love it, yeah. Especially with the herbs, and I love the avocado, the texture of the avocado. There's so much vitamin B there as well. And the herbs are really vitamin nutrient rich, especially the parsley, which has almost as much vitamin C as would a lemon or an orange. So you're really giving yourself, your body, a great vitamin booster.
Yeah, parsley is not in this recipe, but you can add parsley if you want. You know. Yes.
Excuse me, yes. But basil also has a huge amount of vitamin C. In fact, most of these herbs have a surprising amount of vitamin C. Okay.
Oh my genie. Good.
I'm gonna add some extra thyme. Yeah, so feel free to add any extra herbs you like. I always like to experiment. Let's see how it just tastes with a bit of thyme.
Wow. So good, so good.
So good, huh?
With everything on it, so fresh, so...
Yeah, it just goes down very easily, very smoothly, and it's really lovely. Wow, I love it. Oh, and the rockets, of course.
The rocket, oh my god.
A bit of salad inside, oh.
It's so tender, it's so tender. Go to the farmer's market.
Oh, thank you very much, Jose, our farmer, and his lovely wife as well. And the lovely couple.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day and join us for the next one.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.